Hello everyone, welcome back to Web2App, and in today's video I'm gonna show you Apple TV app not working on iPhone. So if your Apple TV app is not working on your iPhone, here are some simple things you can try. First of all, make sure you are connected to an internet connection or your mobile data and the connection is stable. Now you can close the Apple TV app completely and then again reopen it. But if the issue still continues, go to your app store and then search for Apple TV app and check for any updates. And then check for any recent updates. If there is any updates, click on update. You can also restart your phone to refresh the app. If nothing works, sign out of your Apple ID and sign back in. And that's it. That's how to fix Apple TV not working on iPhone. Thank you for watching and follow us for more tips and tutorials.